It is just before daybreak on Sunday, October 20, 2024, and the southwest Miramichi River is peacefully flowing past Irving's Deersdale operation, which is equally peacefully quiet. CN Z121 at this time is getting close to Maple Grove, 17 rail miles away.
CN detector, Napadogan 105. No alarms. Temperature 3C. Total axles 608. Speed 43. Détecteur CN, Napadogan 105. Aucun problème. Température 3C. Total essieux 608. Vitesse 4.
Thank you for being here at Kev's Railfanning. CN Z121 has just cleared the hotbox detector at mile 105, just to the east of Napadogan. With 608 total axles, 121 is a fairly big train, and it is a solid container train today. As of late, 121 has had auto racks stacked on the rear, but not today. We're at mile 115.14 Napadogan Sub in Deersdale, New Brunswick, waiting. It is track season on the railroad, so even on a Sunday morning before sunrise, crews have been out and getting in the clear for 121. In Napadogan, a crew pulled in to get some equipment parked on the siding, ready to head east after 121, and will be in position on the north side to give 121 an inspection.
CN 121, foreman leaving on 1 over. Go ahead. We got you for good highball inspection here, north side, Napadogan over. Yeah, highball inspection, north side of Napadogan. Thank you, sir. Have a good rest of your shift. 121. You guys as well. Safe travels. Foreman leaving out.
121 has gotten a good inspection from the foreman on the north side of the train, and being almost 2.5 miles in length, will soon cover the 9 rail miles between Napadogan and Deersdale. Power for today's 121 is CN 3133, 3056, 2991, and mid-DPU 3405. 3405 is one of the newest AC 44C6M rebuilds, and was the leader on the previous day's 120 into Halifax. 121 will soon be called for the approach signal to Deersdale, so let's listen as 121 approaches and then watch as they hurtle past that nearly the 60 mile an hour track speed limit. Enjoy Daybreak at Deersdale.
121, 103133, clear signal to Deersdale. One 103133, clear signal at Deersdale, mile 115, Napadogan Sub.
I hope you enjoyed this great video of seeing Z121, Daybreak at Deersdale. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Railfanning, enjoy and be safe.